Hey, my name is James Nicholson and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, this is a very quick tour of my latest property renovation. Now, this project you may have been following along, so I just thought I would do a very quick tour. Now, if you want to see how we purchased this property, we purchased it at auction for £60,000, and I've actually made a video on that which you can find on this channel and see exactly all the due diligence and everything we did along the way. Now, this channel is all about my property investing journey. I'm building my portfolio, but I'm also building a portfolio for my two daughters. I've got my older daughter, Georgia, who's 21. This is her property. And I'm also building a portfolio for my new baby, Emily, who is just 1. So why don't you join us on a journey and see how this project goes, as well as all of our other projects as well. To do that, all you need to do is take that finger of power, turn it round, smash that subscribe button over there, hit the bell, and you can see how it goes too. So this is in Burton Avenue in Doncaster. Just finished, signed off with the builders, finally. And so this project was slightly delayed. We overran by around 2 weeks. But this is a brand new builder I've not worked with before. So there was a little feeling each other out, getting to know each other. So I think definitely I'd use them again, but we just need to understand each other. And that happens sometimes when you're working on a project. Look, you've got to get used to each other. We've had a meeting this evening about how we can improve the next project and get it that little bit faster. So I'm standing here in the living room, which is just basically pretty empty, but you can see here, this chimney breast got filled in. It's just easier as a landlord to not have an open fire in there. So we filled that in. We took some blinds on the front just to get that sorted. This was replastered in here. Looks decent, right? New carpets. So pretty straightforward, this room here, but I think it looks decent. I'm happy with the finish on this. And so let's go through here into the kitchen. So this is the kitchen here. We've gone for blinds again there, and we just took a B&Q kitchen, so fairly basic, just an L shape. There's loads of kitchen space there, so those are both, I think, 2 meters either way, so there's loads of stuff to prepare stuff and things like that. So that's pretty good. And then if I go into this corner, you should be able to see it. There's tons of room in this kitchen here, right? So I would have a dining table there if I was moving in myself. And over here, we've got a pantry as well to store stuff. So it's a very, very big kitchen. And so that's going to appeal to a lot of people, families and stuff like that in the future. So we've already got a family moving in here tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So this was right up until the last minute getting things sorted, which I don't want to be doing on the next project. But yeah, I'm happy with how this kitchen turned out. This kitchen cost about 1,500 quid from B&Q, so not too expensive, but it's a decent hardware and kitchen. Went for blinds rather than curtains, just easier into the garden. So that's it. Then we've got the stairs here. This all got replastered. This was like really, really uneven and stuff like that when we took this on. So let's go upstairs. Okay, so we're going to go into the back bedroom here. I need a cameraman for this, right? So this is the back bedroom, just a little box room. Can't really do much for this, but we did fill in, so there was some pipe work in there, in that area there, so that got boxed off and just replastered. The whole room got replastered. We've gone for curtain poles upstairs. Just, it's a clean white room, same grey carpet as the other rooms. So that was pretty cheap. Whole house got carpeted for 700 quid, which is pretty decent, right? So let's have a look in the garden. I'm not going to go out into the garden. I want to go home, guys, but I wanted to show you this before I go. So garden, we just dug it out, got rid of all the rubbish in there, and went for some gravel stones in there. So very easy to maintain. The new tenant's got a dog, so we make sure we put an appropriate gate on there so the dog doesn't run away. Just a simple design, really, really easy to maintain. And that's the thing with these northern houses. People don't want lots of stuff to maintain, like grass and stuff like that. In fact, there's lots of houses around here, so grass probably wouldn't grow very well. You're not going to get good sunlight. So let's take you into the, oh man, I need a haircut and a shave, right? So this is the bathroom. Let's see, can we fit? So yeah, nice little bathroom here. Everything was taken out and gutted. So we've tiled it, we put a decent shower in there. Nice full-size bath as well. It might look small here, but that is a full-size bath, so they can enjoy and relax. Just repainted the windows, replastered, everything is pretty cool. Very easy job in here. So this bathroom was, the bathroom suite was 350 quid, the shower was like 60 quid, the units and stuff, like we were less than 600 quid on this bathroom, and it's come out really nice. And this is the main bedroom that we're going to go into here quickly. So this is a decent size here. So really big double room with the doors. We had so many debates on this. We actually bought some doors, some new modern doors, but these are the doors that have been in here for, I don't know how long this has been in here, this house, but maybe 100 years, right? And so we decided to stick with the original doors because they're really nice. Even though we paid for the doors, we're just going to take them on to the next job where they fit a bit better. So simple in here, we've gone for curtain poles, replastered the room, same grey carpet, which is pretty good as well. And so all in all, this project has, what have we learned from this? Well, it was slow. And whose fault's that? Mine. So this is a new builder. This is my first project up north. I've got a portfolio in Hastings. I've got a portfolio in Dorking in Surrey as well. But this is my first time working out of area. And so what I learned from this is we just need to have a clearer, concise plan with the builder. We have a schedule of works, but when you're project managing remotely, we are getting to know each other, this builder. So things definitely, we could have saved at least 2 weeks on this project. And now we've had a debrief. We've gone through everything that was good about the project, which was a lot of good stuff. We've gone through what we could improve. And the next one will be that little bit faster. And as long as we are building each project that little bit faster, then I'm totally fine with that. Lots of people on YouTube talk about, they've got the builders and everything's perfect, nothing goes wrong on site. I just don't believe that. From my experience, things do go wrong, right? It takes time to build that relationship, build that rapport, build that trust factor with the people that you're working with. And I think when you do that, then over time, rather than looking for new builders every single job that you do, get to know one, get like experience together, work out how they work how you work. Because look, there'll be things that I did that were probably frustrating for them, and there were things that they did that were frustrating for me. And we'll just talk about it, be open and honest. And then when you do that, each project will be incrementally better, and that compounds very, very quickly. There'll be little things that we've learned from this job that we can save money on the next job, and that will compound into being more profitable as well. And I think all of this stuff will be very, very key. Now, numbers on this, we bought this for 60. We did it up for 12. Legals were around £3,000, including like stamp duty and stuff like that. So approximately, not to the penny, but we were in this project for around £75,000. Now, we were quite fortunate because one house just sold down the road for £100,000, a few doors up from us. So we're able to use that as a comparable, because not much has sold on this street recently. When we put the mortgage back on it, so we bought cash at auction, then we put a mortgage back on this. We've just put a buy-to-let mortgage that's just gone through this week, and that was a valuation of £100,000. Now, what that means is that we have now got our money back out of this deal, and we can go again and again and again when we do that, right? Now, sometimes that might not work. We might get it valued at 100, we might get it valued at 90, we might get it valued at 80. But if we can pull most of our money out on these jobs, then that allows us to really expand the portfolio quite quick. So once we've got this team working a little bit faster, the next step is to buy one more property from auction in July, or maybe in August, because I'm just about to go on holiday. But if there's a good opportunity in July, I will take that, and then just get refined on the process, right? So just get that a little bit faster, and then we're going to look at buying 2 at a time each month. We're not going to bite off more than we can chew because it's not our local area, right? And so we just want to build it up slowly. And I don't want to overwhelm the builder and say, look, hey, look, I've just bought 5 properties in auction. I need to get them finished in the next month, because that's unrealistic. And so over time, we will just expand on this and keep building this portfolio up here. Now, we're not going to get loads of capital appreciation up here, but we will get some. But these properties up here are very good for cash flow. We've got 575 rent already, and we're going to make around £300 profit off this property, which is over £3,000 a year off a property that we've left no money in. Right now, that's not massively exciting to some of you, but if you build up enough of those, then you can build up a substantial income very, very quickly with that. So that's called the buy, refurbish, refinance model. I hope you found that a little interesting. I've got tons more videos on that on this channel. So let me know your thoughts. Anything you would have done differently on this project? Any observations? Any questions, or anything you'd like me to go into more detail on this project? Because I'm happy to share everything and be totally transparent with you guys. Do quickly like the video, guys. That really helps me with YouTube. It'll take 2 seconds to do that right now. Give it a quick like. Comment below any questions, or do you think it's good, bad, whatever? I'm happy with all of that. And do join our Facebook community. So in the description below, there's a link. You can join our Facebook community and go and check out this video right here. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.